In our three-part series on custom colors, we've explained the Pantone system, showed how the Marabu color manager works, and showed how to mix the inks. In this third part, what we will explain is a bit about the inks and why a company would want to purchase pre-mixed containers like this versus stocking individual components like this to mix in-house. Marabu has a number of different inks that are separated into series based on the type of material that will be printed on. This ensures durability and adhesion of the image on the part. It also helps potentially pass stringent user standards like Class 6 medical qualification or dishwasher safety standards. The different series usually contain around 17 mixing colors. These colors are designed to be mixed together to achieve preparing the wide range of Pantone colors. A company would likely want to stock or begin stocking these if they are a contract decorator, mixing different colors for different logos or prints on a daily or weekly basis. This would allow quick mixing on the fly and allow mixing just the right amount of ink required for the job. If the company is decorating the same parts day in and day out with the same Pantone logo, they would likely want to purchase the pre-mix cans like this to simplify the process and speed up the setup time. For example, let's say ABC Printing Company is a decorator of hard hats and receives an order for 100 hats with a custom Pantone match color. They can quickly use the Marabu Color Manager and match this color by mixing the colors in-house without wasting any excess ink, mixing only what they need for the job. In contrast, XYZ Baby Bottle Company has a specific Pantone colored logo they want to match. They print 2,000 baby bottles an hour, running 3 shifts a day. In this case, we would recommend having us Pantone match the ink in larger containers like this to allow quick setups time and again over the different shifts. If your group wishes to purchase a Pantone match, we start with a small test sample that we send to get approval. We even ask about the type of substrate and the color of the substrate. Taking into account the base color allows us to make micro adjustments to make sure the color on the part is most representative of the Pantone match. This sample is approved ahead of mixing larger amounts. This ensures the color is identical to what your group is envisioning on the part. Upon approval, we mix full containers of ink. Let us know how your company purchases ink now in the comments below. If your group would like to order a Marabu stock color or custom color, please don't hesitate to reach out to our group. Finally, your viewership means a lot to us. We spend a good amount of time trying to make educational printing videos to help companies and individuals like you. So if you are watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification to get updated on when new videos are released. And for our Instagram users, don't forget to like and follow. Thanks for watching.